Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good start of the weekend. And welcome to this new video on Popcat. Had to make a video on this. I mean, historically, whenever I make videos on Popcat, they're never watched very often. But that doesn't matter. I mean, Popcat has been one of the strongest cryptos in the last couple of days. It was also one of the coins that actually held up the best when the market was bearish. I mean, if you look at Popcat here, we managed to hold this level right here at 94 cents. The entire time the markets were bearish last week. So in general, Popcat is very uncorrelated to the markets, which is always interesting in bullish and bearish times, of course. At least if it's some sort of a negative correlation in bullish times or in bearish times, and a positive correlation in bullish times. But no, so Popcat has been very strong, and then what we saw over the course of yesterday is that a lot of momentum came in. You can see that down here, especially until yesterday evening, and then right now, it's the momentum increase has dropped down a little bit, but due to less volume probably, and also some liquidations coming in here, or at least it looks like it with the spike. We continue to be bullish, and purely structurally here, look, I do want to say Popcat is a little bit of a strange coin, all right, because there's quite a lot of rumors that there's some sort of a group of whales pushing this. And that has been the case for very long now. And usually when there's rumors like that, there is truth to that. You can also see a lot of volume coming from exchanges that are relatively shady, I would say. Like usually you don't see this much volume coming from decentralized exchanges or CoinUp or Gate.io, right? So you should be a bit careful with this. But if we purely take a look at this technically, what you have here is that you had a bit of a range here between 1.08 and ultimately like 90 cents, and so far we have broken out with both momentum and a lot of volume. Volume throughout the markets is down, but the volume for Popcat is actually up 33% over the last 24 hours. That is all very bullish. If you purely structurally look at this, we consolidated. We held up very well in bearish moments in bearish times last week, which is also a positive element right now. Then we broke out. We retested the value area high right here with momentum, with volume. So this seems to be a real breakout. So momentum is stalling a bit. So I'm not going to tell you that we'll just straight up get to my targets, which are at this point of time 1.4 and 1.5. I also took a trade on this. Also in the Signal group, we took a trade on this. So I am long on Popcat. I would say it's more likely now, especially, or at least I do want to kind of see if we actually did get the liquidation spike, because that does matter. Yeah, so we got a bit of a liquidation spike earlier this morning. Momentum is still grinding up. So I'd say it actually looks most likely that we will be able to continue this bullish momentum into 1.4 for now. But after hitting that, I do think we'll get some sort of a consolidation again, potentially some sort of a big drop afterwards into 1.55, 1.15. And then continuing to be bullish, because the structure is very bullish. I expect the markets to continue to be bullish in the next couple of months. So for now, Popcat looks great. Short term, still a lot of momentum coming in, even after liquidation spikes. So short term, still bullish as well. But I do think we will get into some sort of a consolidation relatively soon. But those are my thoughts for now. All right, that's what I think you need to know. In general, still very bullish on this, but I'm also a bit biased, of course. That's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.